to know about the weather this morning. Again, as you're heading out the door, you need to have those extra layers. It is extremely cold. Here's how this compares to yesterday. We are 5 degrees cooler right now than we were this time yesterday in Eugene. You're dropped down 2 degrees in Corvallis, 7 degrees cooler for both Newport and Florence. Heading east to the Cascades, 14 degrees cooler this morning than you were yesterday, but North Bend sitting at the exact same level that you were yesterday. There is some warmer air on the way, and those of you near Coos Bay are going to be the first to see that later on this evening. Not just yet. Still have to deal with that chilly weather for all of us here today. When you factor in the wind chill, again, what that temperature actually feels like on your skin when you incorporate the wind speeds, that's down to 22 degrees in Eugene, just 26 in Corvallis, and we're seeing similar conditions there in Newport, and then even cooler for those of you in Central Oregon. So as you're heading out to the bus stop, if you're going for a run or a walk this morning or just headed off to work or school this morning, make sure that you have all of those extra layers. You do not want to get caught in weather that is that cold. Now, here's a look at today's almanac. We're headed toward a high temperature, only 47 degrees. That's about 6 below what is normal for this time of year. Tonight, we should drop down to about 34. So warmer temperatures overnight tonight. The normal is 38. All of this, though, not anywhere close to record setting. The record low temperature for today's date, that is 17. That was set back in 1978. So it's not that this is really that abnormal. It's just abnormal for us this year. We have been extremely warm this fall. And we're finally starting to see that, yeah, winter is just around the corner. We're waking up to those clear skies this morning, but just offshore is that next storm, and that's going to cause some problems in Western Oregon coming up here in just about the next 18 hours. What's going to happen is we're going to start to see some warmer air moving in tonight, and we're also going to start to see increasing clouds and eventually some rain after about 10 o'clock tonight here in the valley. But for the North Willamette Valley, they have a lot of cold air that is stuck there, and by the time that rain gets there, it's still going to be below freezing. We're talking about tomorrow morning. That cold air in place is going to mean a combination of freezing rain and snow early tomorrow morning for folks north of Salem, across western Washington, the Columbia River Gorge, the Cascades, and into Central Oregon as well, while the rest of us here in Western Oregon see just plain old rain with this storm. So if you work or travel to the Portland area, even to the Salem area, or across the Cascades into Central Oregon, you need to be prepared for that wintry mix again early tomorrow morning all the way through Thursday night. Otherwise, here's what you can expect. Taking a look at Stormcast over the next 24 hours. Again, we're looking at mostly sunny skies for the first half of today, just like yesterday. But then those clouds increase. Here comes the rain by 7 o'clock for the coast, by 10 o'clock here for the valley. We start to see it mixing over with snow across the Cascade passes tonight. We'll continue to see rain all day Thursday for us here in the valley. That's all snow east of the Cascades. And then we'll continue to see those showers off and on for Friday. Eventually, we'll all warm up a little bit by this weekend. For the coast, your highs will be back to the mid-50s. Those winds out of the southeast by this afternoon. Otherwise, partly sunny skies there today. For the Umpqua Basin, low 50s for you. Mostly sunny until that rain moves in later tonight. Traveling through the Cascades today, again, it's going to be dry until tonight when we start to see the snow piling up. High temperatures there only in the upper 20s. Central Oregon, you're headed back only to the upper 20s and low 30s. Not even getting above freezing there today. And for Central Oregon, our highs will be in the mid to upper 40s. Again, we're starting out clear, mostly sunny, just like yesterday. But the difference is that storm moves in tonight. We'll eventually see that rain after 10 o'clock here tonight. For the next 7-day stretch, you're going to see the rain at the coast Thursday, showers Friday, but dry this weekend. Also dry this weekend in the Umpqua Basin for the Cascades. Snow showers off and on through Saturday. And for the Willamette Valley, again, rain today, showers tomorrow, and then dry this weekend. The bottom line is just stay tuned to this forecast over the next 24 hours. If you're doing any traveling in Western Oregon tonight or tomorrow morning, you do want to be prepared for that wintry possibility.
Very good advice. Yeah.